a stunning natural wonder located in China. The stone forest is a collection of thousands of towering limestone pillars that resemble a forest made of stone. These pillars were formed over millions of years by the erosion of limestone deposits. The result is a landscape that is both eerie and beautiful, with spires and columns that rise up to 30 meters tall. The stone forest is a popular destination for tourists and has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can explore the labyrinthine paths between the pillars and marvel at the intricate shapes and patterns of the stone formations. The stone forest is a testament to the power of nature and the wonders that can be found in our world. Thanks for watching.